right, so this is the 2024 SHERP Fest annual event that we do where we showcase SHERPs for anybody all over the West to be able to come down here and showcase this in the water, on the reservoir, and then super high country, super low country, basically any kind of terrain that you can think of. We're able to do that here. So today we've got 5 different SHERPs here, 3 new ones, 2 older ones, and basically what we're doing is we're having everybody come out, whether it's search and rescue, whether it be utilities, whether it be, sheriff's departments, whatever it is, mining, oil and gas, all those people can come here at this time of year and be able to demo a SHERP, get in it, get wet with it, get all the way up in the high country with it, and go over all kinds of crazy obstacles. And we're going to do this thing every year to be able to allow anybody to come down and put their hands on a SHERP, because that's the biggest issue that we have, or the biggest obstacle is people always say they see them, or they see them on YouTube, or they see them all over the place, but they've never actually seen one in person. So not only can you see one, but you can come here and you can drive it. And it's been really cool. We've had 5 SHERPs in the reservoir all at the same time, which was really fun. Got all kinds of different people behind the wheel and the sticks of it. And it's a great opportunity to come and actually drive a SHERP. All right, so the other cool thing about this event is we have SHERP corporate here. So we have a couple of guys from SHERP that are actually here that can do some training, that can walk you through stuff. You can ask them a million questions about how they're manufactured, where they're manufactured, all kinds of different questions that only they can answer and have that experience back in the Ukraine. So yeah, if you're watching this, you can visit us at RockyMountainSherp.com, hit our Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. If you want to do a demo outside of this, you can always get on any of those platforms, reach out to me, and we can set up a demo for you pretty much anytime. All right, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next demo. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the next opportunity for you to be able to get behind a SHERP and demo it out and try it out. Thanks, guys.